Well, duit YouTube, comes the Todd too. You join me out on the hills in Wicklow and mountain biking. Trying to anyway. We're currently on the uphill. I think we're going right to the very top. I think. So that could be fun. There's one or two lads behind me, and everyone else is fecked off up there. So, but it's nice to be out. So I'll try and vlog a little bit more when we're going up. Doubt I'm going to be able to vlog going downhill. I couldn't find a little attachment for my camera, so I can't bring my gorilla pod with me. Otherwise I would have bolted you to the handlebars and away we go. Anyway, catch up with you soon. It's long fall. So here we are on what might have been our last trail. We've just completed that. It was really nice. One of the longer ones. Oh. And we're just making our way back. Again, I'm kind of middle of the group. That's okay. I've been thinking about it a little bit over the last 24 hours or so. And if I'm going to upload this video, which will probably be my 100th as well, depending on what counter you're using, because I've an unlisted video, so it could well be 101. I'm going to make it a challenge video as well, so I have several challenges to do, and I'm going to look up some more. So I'm going to do the likes of the cinnamon challenge. One of the youth members in the club proposed the salt and vinegar challenge. Salt and ice, I'm going to give that a try. Everyone seems to enjoy it. Ooh, rocky bit. Rocky road. Okay, I'm going to stop vlogging before I end up falling off and hurting myself. I've only had one spill though, which was really good. And I rolled. For any of you PK nuts out there, you'll know what a roll is. So I survived. We might have another trail. I don't know. Other than that, if not, I'll see you when I get to the bottom. Dig with your YouTube comes to Tatu. So I'm home, it's now the evening time and the mountain biking's all done. And I said I'd get to the whole challenge part of this video. So, spoon, cinnamon. I'm standing over the sink just in case. I'm not going to do the salt and ice challenge because I saw videos on it and people's hands had massive, welts and blisters and so on their hands. So until I can find a proper way to remedy that, I'm not doing it. Simple as that. So let's see if we can do this.
It's not.
Only slightly, but it helps.
Yep. This is through a day.
And something has to, I suppose. We all have our vices.
Run the tap and get yourself a glass of water.
Okay. Tablespoon of cinnamon. Back up. Okay.
Sweet mother of God in heaven.
Well, that went better than I expected. I thought it would all kind of liquefy, but no, paste. Thick, chalky, powdery paste. Sláinte. Not as bad as I thought it would be. I don't know what people are complaining about.